Top 10 strange events that no one can explain. The world is full of mysteries, some of which have baffled scientists, historians, and even skeptics for years. From bizarre natural phenomena to inexplicable disappearances, these events remain unsolved and continue to ignite curiosity. Could there be scientific explanations yet to be discovered, or are we witnessing something truly beyond human understanding? Here are the top 10 strange events that no one can explain. 10th place. The Taos Hum. Residents of Taos, New Mexico, have reported hearing a mysterious low-frequency hum for decades. However, scientists and researchers have been unable to pinpoint its source. Some believe it's caused by geological shifts, while others suspect secret military experiments. The sound remains unexplained, leaving many to wonder if it's a phenomenon beyond our understanding. Additional theories. Some claim it could be linked to underground tunnels, a natural electromagnetic field, or even a mass auditory hallucination. However, the fact that some people hear it while others don't adds to the mystery. Have you ever experienced an unexplained sound like this? 9th place. The Dyatlov Pass Incident. In 1959, a group of experienced hikers mysteriously perished in the Ural Mountains of Russia. Their bodies were found with inexplicable injuries, some missing eyes and tongues, with no sign of struggle. Theories range from an avalanche to secret military tests, yet no single explanation fully accounts for the bizarre details of their deaths. Alternative explanations. Some believe that infrasound, low-frequency sound waves could have caused intense panic, leading to their irrational behavior. Others suggest supernatural elements, such as Yetis or UFOs. Could there be something out there that we still don't understand? 8th place. The wow signal. In 1977, astronomer Jerry Eman detected a powerful radio signal from deep space lasting 72 seconds. Named the wow signal due to his excited notation, it was never heard again. Scientists speculate it could have been an extraterrestrial message, but without another occurrence, its origin remains a mystery. The big question: if this was an alien transmission, why haven't we heard from them again? Was it a one-time event, or did we simply miss the follow-up signal? 7th place. The Green Children of Woolpit. In medieval England, 2 children with green skin were discovered in the village of Woolpit. They spoke an unknown language and refused to eat anything except raw beans. The boy died, but the girl eventually adapted and learned English. She claimed they came from a place with eternal twilight. No historical records confirm a definitive explanation for their existence. Possible theories. Some suggest the children suffered from chlorosis, a form of anemia, while others believe they could have been refugees from a hidden civilization. What do you think? Was this an elaborate legend or a real unexplained event? 6th place. The mysterious death of Elisa Lam. In 2013, the body of Elisa Lam was found in the water tank of a Los Angeles hotel. Security footage showed her behaving erratically in an elevator just before she vanished. The doors seemed to malfunction as she gestured strangely. While the official cause of death was ruled an accidental drowning, the bizarre circumstances surrounding her case have led to numerous conspiracy theories. Unanswered questions. How did she get into the tank when it was locked and difficult to access? Could there be foul play, or was this truly an inexplicable tragedy? 5th place. The Dancing Plague of 1518. Hundreds of people in Strasbourg, France, suddenly began dancing uncontrollably, with some reportedly dancing to death. This strange event lasted for weeks, and to this day, there is no concrete explanation. Some believe it was mass hysteria, while others suggest a neurological disorder or even ergot poisoning from contaminated bread. The psychological factor. Was this an extreme case of groupthink where people unknowingly influenced each other's actions? Could something like this happen again in modern times? Fourth place. The Sodder children disappearance. On Christmas Eve, 1945, a fire consumed the Sodder family home in West Virginia. 5 of the children were never found, and no human remains were recovered from the ashes. Witnesses later claimed to have seen the missing children, suggesting they were abducted. The case remains one of the most baffling unsolved mysteries in American history. Theories and strange clues. Some believe the fire was an intentional cover-up, possibly linked to organized crime. Others argue the children might have survived and been taken to a different location. What do you think really happened? Third place. The Phantom Cosmonaut. Theory rumors persist that the Soviet Union launched cosmonauts into space before Yuri Gagarin's historic flight in 1961, only for these missions to end in tragedy. Alleged leaked audio recordings suggest that early cosmonauts perished in space, their missions erased from history. While no concrete proof has surfaced, the mystery continues to intrigue space enthusiasts. Hidden truths? If these missions truly happened, why would the Soviet Union cover them up? Could there still be unreleased evidence? Second place. The Hessdalen Lights. A remote valley in Norway has been the site of unexplained luminous phenomena since the 1940s. Bright, floating lights appear in the sky, changing colors and moving erratically. Scientists have attempted to study them, but no definitive cause has been determined. Some believe they are caused by natural gases, while others suspect something more mysterious. What's really happening? Could these lights be the result of unknown energy fields or even extraterrestrial activity? First place. The Voynich manuscript. Discovered in the early 20th century, this ancient book is written in an unknown language with strange illustrations of unidentifiable plants and celestial diagrams. Despite efforts by cryptographers and AI programs, no one has been able to decode it. Some believe it's an elaborate hoax, while others think it contains lost knowledge or even extraterrestrial messages. A hidden code? Could this be an ancient form of encryption, waiting for the right breakthrough to be deciphered? These unsolved mysteries continue to puzzle experts and spark endless debates. Are they scientific anomalies, secret government cover-ups, or something even more extraordinary? Let us know which mystery you find the most fascinating in the comments.